Welcome back to video number 5. Today is the day we turn your spreadsheet into a giant calculator. If you are still using your phone to calculate numbers before typing them into Excel, stop right now. In just minutes, I will show you how to master formulas and math in Excel. The absolute most important rule in Excel is this: every formula must start with an equal sign. If you just type 5 plus 5, Excel thinks it's just text. But if you type equals 5 plus 5 and hit enter, Excel instantly does the math for you. Remember, no equal sign, no magic. Now here is the real secret. Don't type numbers into your formulas. Instead, use cell references. If you type equals and click on cell A1, then type a plus sign and click on cell B1, Excel links them. Now, if you change the number in A1, the total updates automatically. This is why Excel is so powerful for business. Let's learn the 4 basic operators. For adding, use the plus sign. For subtracting, use the minus sign. For multiplication, we don't use an X, we use the asterisk symbol. And for division, use the /. Whether you are calculating profit margins or simple budgets, these 4 symbols are all you need to start. If you ever get confused about a calculation, just look at the formula bar at the top of your screen. Even if the cell shows a final number, the formula bar will always show you the secret math happening behind the scenes. It's the best way to double-check your work. You just mastered the basics of Excel math. In the next video, we will learn about functions like sum and average to handle hundreds of rows at once. Download the practice file to try these formulas yourself. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in video number 6.